Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this pita filled spicy chicken loaf. Really easy and tasty. I've got 500 grams of minced chicken. To that I'm going to be adding 1 egg for binding. For flavour, I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of garlic granules. I'll add a teaspoon of chilli flakes and a big pinch of ground black pepper. A teaspoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of dried parsley. And in goes a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. A good pinch of salt and a big pinch of cayenne pepper. And now I'll spend a few minutes smushing everything together. I'll brush oil onto some greaseproof paper and I'll roll the mince into a loaf shape. I'll pop that into the fridge for an hour. I've warmed some oil in my frying pan and I'm going to be browning the sides of my loaf all over. This will only take a few minutes under a high heat. I've already preheated my oven to 170 Celsius. Now that it's brown all over, I'll just transfer that to my baking tray. Okay, I'll get that in the oven now and I'll cook at 170 Celsius for about 40 minutes. So after 45 minutes, the loaf is cooked right through and I'm just going to let it rest for a few minutes before slicing. I've warmed up my pita bread and I've got some mayonnaise mixed with tomato sauce and I've got some shredded cabbage and onions. And for an extra kick, I've added a few splashes of hot pepper sauce. So quick and easy, makes a delicious warm lunch and snack. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next one.